Hi everyone, this is just a quick trash video, one of those things not really planned or anything like that, but I just wanted to quickly put it out there saying I've got a new Rode microphone on the way. It's USB-C, and it also came with this like free, so it was a great deal. I picked this up for literally half its price, and they gave me a free tripod with it at Comic-Con, which is really nice. So I thought I'd just share that with you guys. Hopefully this helps me improve my sound. I'm slowly trying to build better just a better collection of things. I was using lavalier mics, but I think having a dedicated like microphone to do voiceovers would be really nice. Thought this one would be great. Well, let's get into the unboxing of this thing. I'm definitely excited. Yes, got my two card knives here. This one's kind of crap. Picked that up at Comic-Con as well. Surprised that they search you if in case you have these knives. You go into the place and you can buy knives. So I don't quite know the security precautions there, but anyway, we're just going to pretend that that logic is not flawed. I also picked this up, which is a windshield. Will help me, well, pop filter rather, as it's mostly known. That will just help me because I generally get right up near the microphone and I do pop a lot. So let me see, which side is it? This side's the blade for this knife. For some reason, this one doesn't have like a. Do you know what? I'm just gonna cut it with both hands, and then I'll unpause when we're back. Okay, we are back. I have no idea what glue they used on there, but that was quality glue. I mean, yes, that was hard to take off. I tried my best to keep the box, well, in good shape. You always need to try and keep your boxes in good shape. If that's anything you guys want to take from this video, keep your boxes in good shape and then keep them, because or get rid of products that you maybe had for years. But as you can see, I keep a lot of boxes just in case something goes wrong. You always need the box, so that's good. But I just spent like a good minute or two just cleaning off my knife. But let's just get right into this and open up this tripod. Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once here. Filming and opening is not generally the best idea. There we go. I mean, with this tripod, maybe I can even get like an I can get an extension for it, and that would allow me to actually use my phone while recording on it. Okay, God, I'm gonna have to get this out as well. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so here's the tripod. It is very nice. Like, it feels good quality. It feels strong. Oh yeah, I always get a bit. It's actually got a nice rolling ball on there to adjust it all to your desired angle, and then these feet obviously pop out like on a normal tripod. There we go. Open says me. There we go. And I mean, that's pretty nice. I got it free. It's free, and this is quality. I mean, that. It does feel quality. I'm just amazed at the deal I got here. I mean, that is a 900 Rand tripod got for free. So if you guys made it to Comic-Con, I hope you picked up one of these. I'm sorry, I only went on the last day, so I can't really tell you to go and get one if you're in South Africa. If Comic-Con's elsewhere and Rode still have that deal, please go and pick up your own one, because that is amazing. But here's the microphone, also pre-cut open by me. It's a bit of an anticlimax. Box in a box. Is this box open? Can I open it one hand? I can, yes. Okay, let's get that. That was all the important documentation for it. Is this the actual boy? It is not. Well, there's the actual boy. Look at it down there. I'm gonna grab it here. And okay, I'm gonna have to get it out the box. I will do that as well. Okay, so here it is. It comes in quite nice packaging. This just folds out. Comes with a USB-C cable, I think, for the mic in one of these boys here. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to get it out, but it's in there, and it also comes with an adapter. Let me just see on the box here. What does it say? On the back, should say there. Yeah, so it comes with, and a thread adapter. But this is it. Base plate as well, so you can use it outside of the box. Why did I do that? Okay, we are back. Yes, I didn't know this was actually magnetic, which is quite cool. You just magnetic, got it right on. You want to pop it off, you can pop it right off. Get off there, magnetic thing. There it is. It feels quality. It feels like a very nice little microphone, I must say. I'm very chuffed with it. Obviously comes with an adapter, so you can put it on your tripod. I don't quite know how this works. I did see it on the tripod. It's made in Australia, so you know, none of that Chinese stuff. I don't quite know how Australia is compared to China, but I'm sure it's better. Everything feels really good quality, and I mean, for the price, really good. I mean, it's not cheap. I paid 1,800 Rand for it, and that doesn't include the pop filter which I bought. But for this and this, it's a great price. And I think if you have the money, or if you want to get into making videos, this will be good. I'm gonna start using these for my videos from now on, or at least in the voiceover ones, and I hope it provides adequate sound improvement. Comes with the cable, as I said before, and there's the thread adapter. Also seems like a quality cable. I haven't really taken out and looked at it, but it doesn't, like, I don't know, it feels hefty for a cable, so you know, everything feels hefty here. This feels good, everything feels great. So yeah, if you guys go to Comic-Con, or you can get this sort of deal by itself, then try and get it, because it's quite good. I don't quite know what this is. I'm going to have to get familiar with the whole thing, but yeah, so far very happy with it. Magnetic, detachable thing. I don't quite know how strong the magnet is. I'm going to do a bit of a dangerous test here. Okay, so the magnet is strong enough to hold the microphone, which is quite impressive, because this is definitely not a light microphone. In fact, I'll get my scale. Let's weigh it right now. Okay, here we go. We've got the cheap scale. I have no idea the accuracy of this, but it should give us like a decent like comparison here. Okay, so here's a microphone with the bass on. I'll just keep the bass on because that's kind of the... It is 585 grams. So half a kilo, on about just over half a kilo. And then the stand itself, 200. So together, they're like 200 grams off a kilo, I'd say, with everything. So yeah, pretty hefty stuff. And the microphone, it just feels good. Obviously, this is all metal here, and to turn it, oh, that feels great. But other than it coming off the base, but I'll put it on the tripod when I use it, most likely. But yeah, it's great. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far on these crappy little things, please check out the other content. It is a lot better than this. Please leave a like and also subscribe for more if you did like this. And thank you. I will see you next time.